Hello friends, welcome to Simple Web Coding. So in this lecture, we'll be going through the full stack development roadmap, and as you will know, the full stack development roadmap is divided into two sections. We have the front end and the back end. And the front end comprises of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The back end comprises of Node.js and MongoDB. However, what we must understand is that there are other framework and tech stack attached to the full stack development roadmap. For example, CSS library like Material UI, Bootstrap, Tailwind CSS, Daisy UI, we are used to speed up our CSS development. While in terms of JavaScript, we have React, we have Civet, we have Vue, we have Angular to speed up our JavaScript development. So in the back end, we also have Python, we have C Sharp, and for the database, we not only have MongoDB, we also have SQL, Postgre, and all of that. However, in 2024 of this time, this stack are still among the most popular in writing or developing a full stack development software. So we'll be going through this tech stack step by step. So we'll be starting with HTML. So in HTML, we have what is HTML, HTML boilerplate, HTML test fundamentals, and okay, we're discussing heading and paragraphs. We have lists, other lists, and other lists. We have the emphasis, strong mark, span. We have the hyperlinks, description list, site, address, abbreviation, superscript and subscript, attributes, and comment. Then again, we'll be looking at document and website structuring. We'll be taking a look at header, navigation bar, make content, which comprises article, section, and div. Then our sidebar, which comprises main and aside. Then our footer. We'll also be looking at line breaks and horizontal row. So still in our HTML, we'll be looking at multimedia. So how to input video and audio content in our website. We'll also be looking at HTML tables and input tags. So how we can use tabs to present data in our website, and how we can also use the input tags to send message to the backend. For example, a user wants to interact with your website, maybe in regards to a particular information, so there must be a particular place where that user can input his or her information and send it to the backend to get a response. So we also look at, okay, I think that should be the end. So when we talk about these different topics or sections in HTML, they are the major ones that are required in our daily working with constructing or building a website. However, there are other elements, other section, other articles under this HTML that you might also need when developing or structuring your HTML. So in order to, if you want to dive deeper into the nitty-gritty, you just want to know everything about HTML from A to Z, it's very easy. You just go to your Chrome browser, type MDN HTML. So in this MDN HTML, you see everything you need to know about HTML on this page. So let's quickly take a look at the meaning of HTML. So HTML means hypertext markup language. So it's the most basic building block of the web. It defines the meaning and structure of web content. Other technologies besides HTML are generally used to describe a web page appearance and presentation or functionality behavior. It's a hypertext refers to links that connect to web pages to one another, either with a single website or between websites. Links are fundamental aspect of the web. By uploading content to the internet, linking it to pages created by other people, they become an active participant in the World Wide Web. So if we go down a little, you say HTML uses markup, annotates text messages and other content for displaying in a web browser. HTML markup includes special elements as head, title, body, header, footer, and many others. So HTML is used to structure our website. So as a web developer, before you start doing anything, you need to present your website in form of HTML structure. So HTML is used to structure our website. It's used to structure our website. So that's what all this simply means. So you want to build any website, you need to structure it, and you structure it using HTML. So there are many references and guides here you can follow if you have the time. Is very long. This is HTML docs. However, like I told you before, what are listed here are the most important details you need when constructing your website. So after going through this video, in your spare time, you can come back to MDN to refresh or to gain more on what you've learned. Alright, so the first thing you need to do before you start working with HTML, you need a Chrome web browser or Firefox or Safari, any one of your choice. So the things you need a Chrome browser or Firefox or Opera, etc. You need a code editor. So you need a code editor, and these are the two things you need. So your code editor, it can be Visual VS Code, it can be Atom, it can be Sublime. There are many of them. So what you need to do is to come to Google. If you already have Chrome browser, I already have Chrome browser installed in my machine. So which I already have Visual Studio Code installed in my machine. So here it is. So you can just come here and say download VS Code. So you just come here, whether if you're using Mac, Linux or Windows, there will be an option for you to download. So you just click on this or these depending on your machine and follow the instruction. Then once you are done, you will be here. You will see something like this after downloading it. Alright, so friends, these are the tools we need to start our HTML journey. So in the next class, we'll be looking at the HTML boilerplate and how to start structuring our website. Please like this video, subscribe and share, and also click on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you friends. See you in the next lecture.